So this is what the bag looks like. This is Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. So today is Ipsy Glam bag. I'm excited. I've been waiting all month for this. I don't know why, because I liked my first Ipsy bag, but it wasn't like, ooh, can't wait for the next one. But I'm excited for this, so let's get into it. My son was trying to open it. I didn't get a book last time, I don't think. What's this about? Let's look at this. New year, more products, more focus on you. It tells, I think, a little bit about what I got. I don't know. Let's get into it and see. So this is what the bag looks like. I like it. It's gray. It's coming off blue on camera, but it is gray. More gray than blue. And it's got pink lining. This is really cute. And it's a pink inlining, so let's get into this. Okay, something smashed. That's not all right. What is this? This is So Susan Cosmetics Light. Can you stop, Minnie? Thank you. Light Shifting Highlighting Cream. Okay, this is vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no gluten. And this is what it looks like. This kind of looks like the P. Louise eye primer. And it's in the shade Pop Star. I don't have any makeup on, but I'm gonna put this on. Ooh, I like that tip. You guys see that? Okay, it's a little more gold than I thought it was gonna be. It comes out looking white. Is this supposed to like shift to my skin? That's weird. I think I like it though. I'll try it. I'll try it in a video. But let me smell it. Doesn't smell like anything. This is Wonderland Mascara. Let's see. I like this. I like this mascara. I like this. We'll be reaching for that. I'm always down to get a new mascara. A lip balm. Jersey Shore Cosmetics Star Mint Glossy Balm. Jersey Shore. I didn't know they had a cosmetics line. Is this like the Jersey Shore or is it just something else? I like how that feels on my lips. We got a brush. $1 billion brushes. Oh, this is soft. This is nice and soft. Is this a foundation brush? Yes. I have to give this a try. And last but not least, we have a Naked Cosmetics in the shade Heavy Metal. I'm assuming this is eyeshadow. Okay, why can't I open it? Oh! All smashed up. I didn't break it, it's broke. It is all smashed up. Unless it's supposed to be like that. Let me see. Yep, it's a loose powder. Okay, so never mind. This loose powder foundation is formulated with high grade 100% oxidized. There's a lot of words in there. But yeah. This is in the shade Heavy Metal, so it's a loose powder. Let's see what that looks like. It's like a... I get a lot of neutral colors, like nose itch. It's not that bad of a color. I mean, I probably have this color in my collection though, so nothing special. I want this plastic off. Oh. Oh, it spilled. I like this, oh wait. Oh wait. So if I get more, can I connect them? Because this is like a screw thing. Okay. They should have sent two. Oh, it spilled on my bag. Well, these are some nice products. I can't wait to try this. I'm excited to try this with a full face. It's always nice to have a lip balm. I'm always down to get a mascara. The eyeshadow I'm excited for. I might want to buy some more just to see how that works with the building thing or whatever. Nice brush. It's a nice bag. Wasn't that bad. Yeah. If you are not subscribed to Ipsy Glam, it's $10 a month. So you get sample sizes. It's not that bad. $10 a month for a sample is not that bad at all. So yeah, if you guys like these products, let me know with a thumbs up. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.